Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan, all brothers. So today we have a functionality which is the SMS functionality, and we will discuss how it works in our Bnody ERP and point of sale. So we will go to the procurement settings first of all, and here in the sales bill option we have added a functionality to stop the SMS and to enable the SMS. So right now it is enabled, and system will send the SMS to our client and to our customer, to which we are going to send SMS. Okay, and we are going back to the point of sale, and we will try to create an invoice for a customer, and I will show how it send the SMS to our customer, to our client. So for this you just need to create invoice, and linking buyer is necessary, because when you will link the buyer, the system will pick the phone number from the linking buyer option and will send the SMS to that number of the buyer. And you can stop the SMS by checking this option. Right now it is not checked, so that's why it is enabled and you can send the SMS. This is the SMS portion for the business partners. And now we are going to create invoice. I will create the invoice for the credit, and I will link the buyer for that. This is the buyer which is linked, and this is the phone number. Okay, and the credit invoice, when I will save it, the system will send the SMS to the number of the buyer that we have added in the buyer information. After saving it, the system will automatically send the SMS to the number of the customer. Okay, and I will show you how it sent the SMS. Okay, so now it is saved and the SMS has been sent, and I will show you the history of the SMS. This is the SMS option, this is send SMS, and this is the SMS balance and all the options we have. This is the total SMS, 1000 SMS. Total number of SMS means SMS that he has purchased from our company, and this is a used SMS, and this is the remaining SMS he can use now. Okay, and this is the SMS history for the point of sale. These are all the SMS that has been sent to his customers or clients, the person who is using the point of sale or the Bnody ERP. This is the last SMS that I sent before 2 minutes, and you can also view it, and it will get back to you to the send SMS option. And now you can see this is the checked option, which is the buyer. He has received the SMS because it is checked, and this is the SMS message. You can also say that it can be a greeting message as well, and any promotion message as well. So now we will stop the SMS functionality and we will save it, and I will show you that how it stopped the SMS functionality when you stop the settings from the web. And for that we need to reboot the terminal. For the settings, it will save the setting from the web in the point of sale, and after that it will not send the SMS to the buyer. Okay, so we will create another invoice. We'll link the buyer, and that is the phone number for the buyer, and we'll try to save the credit invoice for the linked buyer, and you will see that this customer will not get SMS because we have stopped the SMS functionality from the web. So that is why it will not send the SMS to the phone number of the customer. So after saving the invoice, we will get back on the web settings of the SMS. Okay, this is the SMS settings, this is the SMS history of the point of sale. We will see that the system has not sent the SMS to that customer, and this is the previous invoice message that when the SMS functionality was enabled.